What is up, guys? Day 5 of the Mexico trip here. We've been having tons of fun. Today we're heading out on a bus right away here to go get some speedboats and head out to a coral reef just off the Gulf of Mexico. We're gonna be getting tons of underwater clips of all the fish, all the corals, you name it. It's gonna be on a real day here. I'm super excited. We'll see you guys there.
When the weight of your shoulders beating it down, you hit the ground.
Alrighty guys, here we are in the boat. It's got a little 30cc Suzuki engine on it. So we'll be interested. These boats are super light. Honestly, I think it's made out of just like fiberglass, eh? Yeah, made out of fiberglass, so they're pretty light boats, but I'm sure I'll go pretty quick. Honestly, I'm super excited. I think it'll be sick. So we're gonna head out to the coral reef here right away. And then when we get over here, they're gonna tell us like what to do with snorkeling and all that. And then hopefully we'll see some unreal fish.
Cause you gotta run for life until you rise and never look back and don't think twice. Whatever comes your way, here comes a brighter day. Come along to the heat of the night, you're alive in a better place. Feel the fire is burning inside as you rise for a better day. And I know you will find peace of mind, cause the light never goes away. It's gonna be okay. Fall in love with an out, feel the energy rise, you're forever young. You're so light to the sky as you fly and the pain is forever gone. Now you do what you like, what you want all the time, it is meant to be. Cause now you know you're free. Cause you gotta run for life until you rise and never look back and don't think twice. Whatever comes your way, here comes a brighter day.
as it shines on the sea. It's blinding, but no one knows how deep it goes. And it seems like it's calling out to me, so come find me and let me know what's beyond that line. Will I cross that line? See the
shadow to my light, did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Where are you now? Where are you now? Was it all in a fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Was it all in a fantasy? Where are you now? Were you only imaginary? Where are you now?
Alrighty guys, that's it for today's video.
We had a super fun time snorkeling, eating a ton of good food, meeting a ton of new people, and overall just had a fantastic day, and we hope you guys had a good day too. Tomorrow we have tons of things planned.
We're gonna be doing some quadding, some zip lining, and a bunch of other adventures. We're gonna be bringing you along for the ride. We'll see you tomorrow.
Peace!